Okay, this is my Lily. Finger knitting. I showed her last night at like 11 and she picked it up in like 5 minutes. And now she's making a scarf. Can I see your pretty scarf? Oh, is that the purl side? Can I look at the knit side? There's the knit side. Very good.
That's the purl.
Yeah, that's the purl side. Now you're going to do your weaving? Or your scrunching? Very good. I'm always going to sit on the other side of you so I can see what you're doing with your hands. Will you weave it for me? Very good. I'm videoing you. Very good. That's very good, Lily.
What does a scrunch do?
Moves your loops down so they don't fall off your fingers.
What
Oh, yeah.
does the take off loop do?
I'll help you with the take off part.